So your Revel van will come with some really great blinds that block out the front part of the cab. They're probably going to be located on your overhead cab shelf. That's where ours were. They could be in the back somewhere, but once you locate these, they're going to be in a black nylon bag with a Velcro closure here. Pop that open. There's going to be 3 pieces in here, and I'm going to grab the biggest one first. Not that you have to, but I find that a little easier. I'm going to set this to the side, and you're going to see you have these really nice heavy-duty blinds. They are white on one side and kind of a dark gray on the other. You're going to want to find the top, and how you're going to know the top is there's one side that has a little Velcroed slit in it. This is the part that goes up. Now, most of the time you're going to want to position these blinds so the white side is facing out. That is great for keeping the heat down inside here. But if you want to be a little more stealthy and you don't want to maybe advertise that you're camping in your van, a lot of times we will put the black side out, which makes it almost just look like it's dark in the van or you have tinted windows, and it draws a little less attention. But for this demonstration, let's put the white out because we're in a nice, beautiful place and we don't need to be stealthy. We're going to then put this onto the dash and unfurl it and push it down to the very bottom of the windshield. Now we're going to crack open our slit and we're going to wrap this around our rear view mirror. And then it'll Velcro back around the mirror. And then you just pick one side and we're going to push it up and we're going to make sure it goes all the way to the edge of the windshield. And we're going to put our sun visor over the top of it, and that's what holds it on the top. Then we're going to go to our other side, make sure it goes all the way to the edge of the window, and we're going to put our sun visor down. And now it is secure. Sometimes you might need to shuffle it a little one way or the other just to get it centered. So then your the edges of the blind go all the way to the side of the windshield. Now there'll be 2 more pieces in here. And once again, we've got a dark side and a light side. Now, if you can see, these are cut to be the same shape as our windows. So this one, if I want to carry on and have the white side out, this is going to go on the driver's side. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to get it as close to fitting as possible, lining it up. And then I'm going to open the door just a little bit. And then we're going to feel there's some little magnets in here. And these magnets are going to stick to the door frame, the window frame. And then I'm going to shut the window. And it is slightly shut here in the opening or the closed part of the window, the door, and it's just going to help hold that in place in addition to the magnets. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to put my white side out. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to line it up roughly. I'm going to pop the door a couple inches open, and I'm going to get my magnets to click on. I'm going to pull it shut. And now we have privacy in our Revel van. So to remove the blinds, it's basically the same thing we just did in reverse. So I usually start with the front windshield, but you don't have to. I'm gonna open my visor on one side and you see it kind of falls down on its own. I'm gonna release the Velcro around the mirror. I am then gonna open the other visor, and now they're kind of an accordion. So it's real easy just to start somewhere and push them in and just wind them up, and they stack up nice and small. I would then put that in the bag, and then I'm gonna go to the windshield, or excuse me, the side door. I'm gonna pull this one out, and same thing, it's an accordion, and that folds up nice and small. And then I'm gonna do the driver's side. Accordion this, and then this all can stow right back in the same black bag it came in.